Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a report for product dates in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to track and analyze product schedules across your opportunities, giving you clear visibility into when products are expected to be delivered or fulfilled. First, you'll want to navigate to the app launcher. You can find this in the upper left corner of your Salesforce interface. Once you click on it, a search bar will appear. Type in Reports and click on the Reports option when it appears. This takes you directly to the Reports section where you'll be building your custom report. Now that you're in the Reports area, look for the New Report button and click on it. This initiates the report creation process and opens up a selection of report types that you can choose from. In the search field that appears, type Opportunities with Products and Schedules. This specific report type is essential because it gives you access to the product date fields you'll need for tracking. Once you've found it, select this report type and click Start Report to begin building. You'll now see the Report Builder interface open up. The next step is to click on the Filters panel, which is typically located on the left side of your screen. Filters allow you to control exactly what data appears in your report. Within the Filters section, you'll need to set Show to All Opportunities. This ensures that you're capturing every opportunity in your system, not just a subset. Then, locate the Close Date filter and set it to All Time. This broadens your report to include opportunities from any time period, giving you a complete historical view. Once you've configured both of these settings, click Apply to activate these filters. Next, you'll want to click on the Outline panel. This is where you'll structure how your data is organized and displayed. In the Group Rows drop-down menu, search for and select Product Date. This groups all your data by when products are scheduled, which is exactly what we're trying to analyze. To make the report even more readable, click on the Product Date column header and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Navigate to Group Date By and select Calendar Month. This aggregates your product dates by month, making it much easier to spot trends and patterns in your data. Now you're ready to finalize your report. Click Save and Run at the top of the screen. This both saves your report configuration and displays the results. A dialog box will appear asking you to name your report. Enter Product Dates Report in the Report Name field or customize it to whatever makes sense for your organization. Finally, click Save to store your report. And there you have it. You've successfully created a product dates report in Salesforce that organizes opportunities by their product schedules. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.